Hi folks, here from OK Sealer. Today we're here to bring you our Triodine scale and our Supersealer bag sealer with our conveyor. We're going to first start off by telling you about each unit and what the capabilities are, and then we're going to run some samples for you. What we have here is our Triodine scale. This one comes on wheels. This base has a mobile base. We have the touch screen for easy programming of speeds, your dribbles, your weights, whatever you need to do can easily be put into this touch screen. This particular unit is a single lane unit. It can come up to 8 lanes, whatever you need. It runs free-flowing product, candy, rice, cereals, whatever is a free-flowing product is what this scale system runs. It comes in 25 configurations, so whatever you need, it can do. Now we come to our Supersealer, which comes in many different configurations. Today we have the Supersealer SB20, which is our band sealer. It comes in the Supersealer hot air sealer, which is an SS2. We also have the hot air sealer and the band sealer and our SB30, which is our larger version, that come in wash down. We can wash anything down. This scale system can be washed down also. So that's one thing we can do. Wash everything down, which is very special. Okay, we also have explosion-proof sealers too. We have medical sealers. So any configuration you need for your application, we can meet. That's the same also, that's why we make such a great partner with Triodine. As I said, they have 25 different configurations, just what they have written down. And we also can configure whatever your application needs, we can meet that need. The other thing the Supersealer has, which we love, especially on these kind of systems, is we have a button to go up, bring the sealer up, button to bring the sealer down. The same with the conveyor, goes up, goes down. It's all on one mobile base. We have stainless steel, we have aluminum. When it's washed down, all these controls are put inside here and covered. And again, so now what we're going to do is show you how the system works. Come up, what an operator would do, would come and put a bag under the spout, fill it, and then feed it into the heat sealer. I'm going to catch this bag on this other end. Give you a look-see of the nice seal we got here. See, that's lovely. A lovely Supersealer SB20 band seal. We can also code for you if you want. Real nice thing about this system, it's all 110 volt, plugs into any standard wall unit. That is just fabulous in today's world. So what we can do is give you a line. There we go, that beautiful SB20 band seal, gorgeous. And we can do is create a line for you so you can go away from that manual operation. You have a semi-automatic operation at a very reasonable cost. Payback is very quick. Thank you for joining us today. We really enjoyed showing you the Triodine scale and the Supersealer, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you very much.